Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha and today in this video we are going to transform this dull flaky lips into something like this, which is plum pink and soft, and I'm so excited to share my lip care routine with you guys. Also, I will tell you about my two recent products to my very healthy skin later on in this video, and if you're new, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video. So watch till the end and enjoy because I'm going to share my at-home lip care routine just for you guys. First up guys, I feel whether it's skin or it's your lips, they require hydration, so do not forget to take plenty amount of water so to keep it plump and happy. First up guys, I really like to clean all the area around my lips, so for that we are going to shave. I'm going to use this twinkle razor which has this straight blade. I'm going to use micellar water and this cotton pad, and I'm going to put few drops into it, and we are going to clean the blade of the razor. Yes guys, because we don't want any dirt around it and we want our healthy skin and no cuts. So I'm going to apply this aloe vera gel next in the area where I'm going to shave. And I'm going to use the razor very slightly down at 45-degree angle, and I'm going to use my very light hand just like this in the downwards direction. I also like to cover up my lower lip area, and you can see guys, instantly it makes it look so much more clean, so you can have this really clean nice smile before moving ahead. So next up is everyday exfoliation. So guys, what I like to do is when I'm everyday brushing my teeth, what I like to do is I take this brush and I do dry brushing on my lips just like this, but make sure you do not have any paste left on it, otherwise it will make your lips even more dry. And also use very light hand and do soft circular motion. Also take care that the brush is really soft. I'm using the Oral-B one, which is very soft for the skin. You can eventually see all the dead skin from the lips is already gone, which is such a great work. And next let's move to lip scrubs. So I'm going to give you two options over here. The first one is the coffee lip scrub. I'm going to use this coffee and also olive oil or coconut oil, whichever suits to you. I'm going to use coffee because it helps to exfoliate and also increases the blood flow of that area, which gives you a flush of pink color to your lips, which is very nice. And also the coconut oil adds so much of moisture to your lips, which is amazing. And you can see that we have this very thick consistency all ready to use, just 2 easy steps. Next up, I'm going to do a lemon plus sugar lip scrub. I'm going to use this sugar which I have crushed already. Do not use very large granules of sugar. I'm going to add coconut oil again for moisture, and then lemon acts as a bleaching agent for your lip, which helps you to remove the darkness. So if you want to remove darkness, you should definitely go for this lip scrub. But for today we are going to go ahead with the coffee one because I love the smell of coffee, and also the coffee helps me to exfoliate the skin and also to increase the blood flow, which helps me to get such a pink color. You can already see it is literally working so well. You just have to use your finger just lightly and scrub it all over and you are good to go. You can already see all the dead skin is literally removed, and it just looks so much more fresh than what it was before. Guys, before moving ahead, let me tell you about the product that I have been recently using a lot, and which is like a really natural product and kind of my two-step healthy skin product. This is the Via Natural Turmeric and Tea Tree Face Wash. So I actually saw the reviews online and then I wanted to purchase them because people were saying that they are very natural products, and therefore I wanted to try them. And when I tried this for the first time, it did not foam up at all. I kind of was questioning it, and then I found out that a product which is sulfate free does not foam up, and that is what the reason was. So if skincare products include sulfate, then they literally take out the excess oil from your skin, and not only the excess, they literally take away the whole natural oil from your skin which is supposed to be there, and therefore because of that reason it does not suit your skin. Therefore, sulfates in a product is very, very unhealthy for your skin type. And I was so happy after using this. I have been using for a couple of times, and honestly, I have been using this along with my mom, and we both have really different skin types, but still it works amazing for both of us, which is kind of a plus point for it. So I can say that it works for all skin types. And the second product actually comes in this very nice case and very nice packaging. This is the Via Natural Peptide Moisturizer. Peptides, oh my god, they are the most talked ingredient when it comes to skincare products. You must have heard about them as well, because peptides are actually amino acids, and amino acids are known to produce the protein which is required for the skin. So yeah, our skin actually requires protein as well, and peptide helps the skin to build those, and specifically it helps to produce collagen. And you know that collagen is so freaking important for having firm skin, tighter skin, and younger looking skin. So peptides are like a must have in your skincare products, and a peptide moisturizer does a beautiful job. Also, it has vitamin E in them, which helps you to have such healthy skin. So this was my recent 2 steps to my healthy skin, and you should definitely check them out. I'm going to leave the links for both of them down below in my description box, so you can go and check them out, and also like enjoy your healthy skin and then thank me later. Okay guys, coming back to the video, last step that I do is this lip mask. The mask is this ingredient very easily available at home. This is nothing but malai. This is the one which was in my freezer, therefore it has a thick consistency. You can also use fresh malai for that case, but I see like fresh malai is very runny, and therefore this one is easier to apply. I'm just going to use one of my finger just to dab it all in my skin, and a little bit scrubbing, and I'm going to leave it for almost 5 to 6 minutes. I think so that's kind of enough, and then I'm going to rinse off. You can see, oh my god, such a fresh look. Like it literally changes the whole feel of my lips instantly. You can see I'm not wearing anything. And last step has to be using the chapstick. I'm going to use the Nivea one. You can use whichever you want to, and I'm just going to add it. It also gives a nice tint to my lips, which I kind of like, and keeps it so much of moisture. Oh my god, I'm loving the results of it. You can already see what result we have. It's just so nice. We got a very cute smile, a happy lip, soft, plump, and literally it looks very soft and plump at that time, to be honest, to touch. And that's it guys. So I'm literally loving the results, and I hope you guys like this video. Do check it out, because all the items are available at home, so easy to achieve, and you can enjoy fresh, plump, soft pink lips. And until next time, tata, bye bye. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, and do not forget to comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Take care, bye bye.